Hey everybody, it's Sal here from Big Lou's Onion Sauce. I have a really quick and easy recipe for your fall food fix during Oktoberfest. I'm going to show you how to make a braised chicken sausage with apple and onions, inspired by a recipe I found at Applegate Farms. It just so happens my wife is Polish, and she introduced me to Polish beer, Zywiec. I also live in Copiague, New York, which happens to be a hub of Polish delis. I have 3 literally right down the block from my home, which is where I picked this up. This recipe is super quick to make. It's really easy, really tasty. All we have to do is put together the Applegate chicken apple sausage, the beer, some butter, some apples, and of course, Big Lou's spicy onion sauce. So you could make this recipe in a skillet, you could make it in a pot. I don't own any cast iron cookware. I have some great ceramic pots that I like using. So the first thing we're gonna do to get this recipe kicked off is melt some butter, cut up our apples, and get our Big Lou's spicy onion sauce in there. The next thing we have to do is add our beer and sausage. Once everything's cooked down for a few minutes, all you got to do is add another tablespoon of butter, add maybe a little salt and pepper to taste, and you're all set. Thanks for tuning in to today's recipe. This has been a quick and easy way to make braised chicken sausage with apple and onions featuring Big Lou's spicy onion sauce. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you think we could have made it better, leave us a note in the comments. See you next time.